Welcome back friends, and today we are going to see how to get your YouTube video translated for free through YouTube community translations. It is desirable to translate your video to more languages because that will increase your earnings from AdSense. For your kind information, out of the total revenue, only 30% revenue is earned through English videos. Identify the video to be translated and click on Edit. Thereafter, this window will open which will have different menu options, information and settings, then enhancements, audio, end screen and annotations, cards, subtitles, CC. And at the downside, you will have basic information, translations, monetizations, and advanced settings. Click on advanced settings and at right side down part you will see allow viewers to contribute to translations. Click on it. Now your fans can suggest to translated versions which will be finalized only after your approval.